Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to connect the Zambeel app with Shopify. For this, we have to go to the Shopify App Store and search for Zambeel. So, here we have the Zambeel app. Click on it, click on Install, then again, Install. As soon as we install this app, it will take us to the Zambeel portal. If we are coming here for the first time, then we have to sign up. For sign up, we have to give all our details. Here we have to write our name, enter our email address, add a password, and then confirm the password. Here we have to select our country, then enter our number, and then sign up. The second way is to click on the Google Sign Up option, and this will sign up with Google. After that, we will see our Google accounts. Now, select the Google account with which you want to sign up. Here we have to write our name, select our country, and enter our number. Now our profile is complete. To connect to the store, you can see that our profile is 25% complete. We have not added a bank account, we have not integrated a store, and we have not added a subscription yet. If we click here, it will take us to the bank account section. Otherwise, we will go to the bank account manually. Here we will connect and give all the details, like connecting to a Pakistani bank account, PayPal, etc. After that, we will go to the store integration section. Here we have to select the platform with which we want to connect. So, let's add a bank account first. You can see that the bank is connected, and now we will go to store integration. Here you can integrate any store. For example, if I want to integrate a Shopify store, I will click on Shopify. Here we will get the store list. I will select the store I want to connect. If you want to change the store, click on the store name, and many stores will appear. Select the one you want to. Connect. You can see that the store is now connected, and we have a dashboard that shows the connected store. You can buy SKU from Zambeel's website. You have to search for the SKU. We have this product. If we click on it, it's already added. But if we add the SKU like this, its price will be 0, so we have to change its price. For example, if its price is 99 and the quantity is 1, we have to set it to price 99 and quantity 1. We have to make sure the total amount is correct, and then we will complete the order. Once done, we will click on Send to Zambeel, and our order will be sent to Zambeel. Then Zambeel will process it. We have an order here. This means the order has not been processed yet. Zambeel does not have a sponsor, so you have to check this. If the SKU is missing, you have to add the SKU in Shopify. After that, we will go to Order Analytics. Here it will tell us about the orders in the last 30 days. It will show all the orders from all the stores. If we want to check the status of each one, we can check the status of these orders. This is the status, and this is the tracking ID. If we click on the tracking ID, it will take us to the courier company page and show the order status. Here we have all the details of the order. For example, If you want to search for an order, you can go to the filter section and search by order ID or phone number. This was our overview. In My Invoices, your invoices will appear. All invoices will be listed here. This is our dashboard. If you are not able to understand something, you can watch videos from Zambeel Academy. If you are still unable to understand something, refer to their tutorials. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.